Hi, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hello. I'd like to think that this channel is your channel, so tell me what you think, dislike, like, and what you would like to see in the future. So leave a comment. The province of Bohol is situated in the central Visay region of the Philippines, to the southeast of Cebu. It consists of two major islands, Bohol and Panglao, plus another 80 smaller outlying islands. The islands cover an area of 4,800 square kilometres, making it the 10th largest island in the Philippines. The government administration is made up of 3 congressional districts, 47 municipalities and 1,097 barangays or local government authorities. At the last census in 2020, the population stood at just under 1.5 million people. There are 3 ways to get to Bohol Island. You can fly to Panglao Airport from Manila, which there are 7 to 8 flights a day, spread between the 3 major domestic airlines. A twice daily service from Cebu through Air John, plus a daily flight from Davao City. The alternative is via ferry. There are regular ferries to the island that leave from Cebu Pier 1. This is the fast cat service, which takes 45 minutes and costs around $15. Second service goes to Tagbilaran City, the capital city of Bohol. It takes her approximately 3.5 hours and a cost of about $10. When it comes to accommodation on Bohol Island, you'll need to do a little research. What you choose depends on your budget and kind of activity you wish to indulge in. However, bear in mind that most of the accommodation choices are in the south of the island or on Panglao Island. Bohol is fast becoming the primary tourist destination in all of Asia. The island boasts a wide assortment of attractions, including white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, rolling hills, lush tropical rainforests and scenic natural sights. Colonial architecture, history sites and a wonderful ecotourism highlights leave visitors in awe. You can visit natural rainforests or man-made woodlands. One or all 4 of the beautiful rivers. One or 2 of the dozens of waterfalls. Being that the island is predominantly limestone, there are more than a few caves to take a look at. Or you can have a quiet little chat with this guy, Tatay. Okay, so you want a little more adventure, maybe scuba diving, snorkeling, beach and water activities such as kayaking, jet skiing, banana boat, island hopping, or you just want to lie on the warm sandy beach with a cocktail or two, then you'll need to go to Panglao Island. To get to this island, you will need to cross one of the two bridges from Tagbilaran. This is Alona Beach. It's about 18 kilometres from Tagbilaran. It's about 1.5 kilometres long and lined with cafes, restaurants, resorts and dive shops. There's also live entertainment at night, so you can really experience a real tropical island vibe. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And please, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Take care.